Welcome, today in front of me Realme GT Master Edition, and I'll show you how to add and remove the home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you wanna add the widget. For example, I'll go in with a new one like this, and now just with your finger hold for a while, and here you'll see this menu. Just find the widgets icon, tap there, and as can you see right now we got here all the available widgets. You can choose one from these widgets. For example, I will go in with this one and just drag with your finger here to the screen where you want to add your widget. As can you see, you can here select the screen where you can add this widget, and for example now you can move it here by this way. If you want, you can move it to the another screen. Also we can here just add one more widget by the same way. Just tap here, and for example we'll add the calendar by the same way. Just drag with your finger, and as can you see right now you can also change the size of your widget by this way. And if you want to remove, for example, just press for a while, and here you will see the remove icon. Just tap here to the remove icon, and also you can remove this widget too. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.